We already have an extreme heat warning that's been extended through tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets extended probably even through the rest of the weekend. So just every day we're expecting to see miserably hot temperatures. Tomorrow we could still see that heat index get close to around 110 degrees. This is our Weatherford camera. Today we've noticed at least a few high thin cirrus clouds moving in from time to time. It really hasn't helped us all too much temperature wise, as we're still reading 105 degrees and we still have a breeze coming in out of the south at about 11 miles an hour. We're at 105 degrees right now in Denton, 104 in Greenville. The hottest temperature I'm seeing on the map right now is 107 over in Seymour. Satellite and radar. Again, today we've noticed a few more clouds moving in from the east, and those continue to make their way off to the west, but they're not really providing as much, not cooler weather. They're not really providing a whole lot of shade, maybe from time to time, but that's pretty much it. So we still have all the thunderstorms just kind of rotating counterclockwise around Texas, because we still have that ridge of high pressure parked over the southern plains, and that keeps us dry and hot, while it looks like we've got a lot of storms over parts of New Mexico and into Arizona, and of course well off to the east and parts of Alabama and Mississippi. But here at home, we're just dry and hot, and unfortunately it looks like we're just going to be stuck in this weather pattern for quite some time. So we're not expecting a whole lot of change in the days ahead. In fact, there could be a couple of days in the days ahead where it gets a little bit hotter, and we're going to start to keep those temperatures going up before we eventually go back down as we get a little bit closer to September. So all of August just continues to look very, very hot. Tomorrow we're looking at a high of about 105 degrees. Good news is I don't think we're going to get close to the record. Tomorrow the record's actually 109 from back in 2023. Bad news is I think that we could actually tie the record, if not break the record after that. So on Friday, we're forecasting a high of 106. That is the record on Friday from back in 2023. But on Saturday, we're forecasting 107, and the record on Saturday is 105. And we could get really close to the record again on Sunday. So these numbers are going to stay well above normal for a while. Tonight, we're going to stay mostly clear. It's going to be warm and humid and a little breezy at times, but we're talking wind gusts around maybe 20 miles an hour. So tomorrow morning, we're dropping down into the low 80s, and that's going to be the coolest time of the day. Tomorrow afternoon, we're back to around 105 degrees. The wind, it's going to be pretty light. Outside of that, just pretty quiet and hot. Again, the T means we're going to tie the record. And then on Saturday, we think that that could be a new record. We end the weekend still very hot. Some decent news. It's not all that great. Second half of the 14-day temperatures start to go down, but it looks like we stay around 100.